Hello everyone, this is Drew Draz that grubs Volvo cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Volvo XC60 T8 Polestar engineered. This vehicle is very uncommon. This is the first time I've ever seen one in person. It is the performance version of the XC60, the plug-in hybrid, of course, recharge, 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque combined power. You can get up to probably 35 miles of electric range by plugging in, maybe a little less. So this is an amazing daily driver. It is one of the best daily drivers I can think of in terms of fuel economy, the plug-in hybrid aspect of it, the nice performance, great handling. You have a beautiful Bowers & Wilkins sound system. The speaker grille is beautiful. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. You have the Google built-in maps. I love the gold seat belts and I love these seats. They look and feel amazing. It's really, really nice in here. I just love that Bowers & Wilkins speaker grills and everything. It's really nice. But let's walk around this car. This would be an ideal daily driver for me. It's finished in thunder gray metallic. It's beautiful, and the wheels on the V60 and XC60 Polestar engineered look fantastic, as you can see over there. You even have like the gold giant brakes, Thor's hammer daytime running lights, as you can see over there. And those wheels are beautiful. Look at that. They look so good. You have the Polestar engineered badge on the back. And here are the rear seats. This one also has the roof racks on it. And here's the trunk with a little cargo mat in the back. Pretty decent cargo space. But I would daily drive this car all day. I cannot believe how good those wheels look. And I love how it says Polestar engineered on them. Nice little details. Yeah, I've seen maybe like 3 V60 Polestar engineers on the road, and I've never seen an XC60 Polestar. I really, really like this car. So go over to settings, and then no, not this. Assist driving. Put it in Polestar mode. You have hybrid, Polestar pure, off-road, and constant all-wheel drive. Polestar will give it the performance drive characteristics, and you have a wireless charging tray right there. As you can see, my phone resting on it right now. The charging tray is kind of small. I wish it was bigger because it might not fit bigger phones, and also your phone might fly out, and there's really nothing holding your phone in place. But it is what it is. I really like Volvos. As you can see in all my videos on Volvos, I love them. I really like them. This one doesn't have the Aura4 Sweetened Crystal gear shifter, which sucks because I absolutely love that gear shifter. I would definitely switch it out. If I got this car, I would switch out the gear shifter to have that, because it definitely adds elegance to the cabin. I think these gold seatbelts are a fantastic touch. Nice and quick acceleration. It is brisk. Nice handling as well, corners well. It's super quiet in here, feels really nice. And as I said, these seats are so comfortable. Like, this is definitely my top 3 daily drivers list. If I wanted a performance-oriented daily driver, I would definitely get this. Or a V60 Polestar engineered, or an Acura MDX Type S. That's my top 3 list right now. This, the V60, or the MDX Type S. I just really love these specific cars. What I love about this is that, like, you'll never see them, and no one you'll know will probably have it. It's a very rare car. If you want a car that most people don't have or don't even know, this XC60 Polestar is definitely gonna give you that. But I love the way these deliver power. It's really nice. The lateral support on the seats is fantastic, and the car is really comfortable even in the Polestar engineered setup. I mean, this car, while it is performance oriented, Volvos are always going to be luxurious and comfortable to drive. They're not going to feel harsh in any way, or, you know, be super sporty in that sense. It's always going to be luxurious and comfortable and quiet. But this car will give you that extra handling and acceleration that you need. Like me, this is the only Volvos I would ever buy would be a Polestar engineered product, because the regular Volvos are just, they're beautiful, but I need I need good handling and pretty strong acceleration. But most regular Volvos do not handle sport with a sporty manner at all, but this car does. Acceleration's great. I think it's like 4.5 seconds 0 to 60. It's very nice to drive. I love it. Amazing drive so far, love it. I'm gonna put it in hybrid mode. You also have an off-road mode if you're gonna go on like some gravel or something like that. But I think the outside of the vehicle, the wheel and tire setup definitely takes the cake. It looks phenomenal. It definitely gives the car a unique and beautiful look. Volvo killed it with that wheel and tire design. I love it. Put it back in Polestar mode. I really miss the drive mode dial that older Volvos used to have. I don't like having to go to the screen and click it to change my mode. It's kind of dumb, in my opinion. Handling is nice. It's very smooth. I love the turn signal. Engine noise in this, and Volvos literally have like little to zero engine noise. It's always going to be very quiet, especially with this hybrid. This car's fast, but you can barely hear anything. You don't get a Volvo for loud engines, that's for sure. You also have a 360-degree camera system. This vehicle camera needs some service, so it's not showing up right now. You can hit the home button, and then you have YouTube, Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Play Store, as it is an Android system after all. Nice little storage cubby over there. But yeah, materials in here are great. I love this material. It's beautiful in here. You have a nice panoramic sunroof. You just swipe your finger there to open that panoramic sunroof. You can close it up just like that. But overall, awesome XC60 T8 Polestar engineered right here. Thanks for watching another video, Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome vehicles like this Volvo.